To install the Apache Web Server on Windows, simply go to the Apache website and click the download link. Click Files for Microsoft and then go to the Apache Lounge and download the zip file. When the download completes, extract the contents of the zip file. You'll notice there's a folder named Apache24. Copy this folder and paste it into the root of C. Then open a command prompt in Apache's bin directory. You'll notice there's a file named httpd. Run that file to start the Apache Web Server. Open a browser to the local host address and you'll see a message that says it works. Add any of your own files to the htdocs folder. Once your files are added, you can bring those up in the web browser as well. And that's how you install the Apache Web Server on Windows.